This is a quick demo of the F13, a GRBL CNC controller based on the STM32F103 ARM Cortex-M3 microcontroller in the popular form known as the Bluepill. GRBL was originally developed for the Arduino AVR328 microcontroller. I've ported GRBL version 1.1F to the STM32 microcontroller, and it is called GRBL32. The F13 runs up to 250K pulses per second for each axis while under 3-axis coordinated motion. This is much faster than the top speed of 30K pulses per second for the Arduino-based GRBL. The F13 supports 3 axes with the Pololu-style stepper drivers connection, or with external drivers using the external driver jumper board. Next is a quick demonstration of the F13 basic functions on a custom-built CNC system. I built a custom CNC system, and it is now configured to use external stepper drivers for all 3 axes, X, Y, and Z. First, I will start the universal G-code sender. I will connect to the F13. The standard baud rate for the F13 is 921.6K. The older 115.2K baud rate firmware is also available for compatibility with older software. I will run a homing cycle for the system. The first homing motion is for the Z-axis, which will move up to the limit flag at a higher user configurable search seek rate, 1000 mm per minute in this case. Once at the limit switch, the stage will pull back a user configurable pull-off distance, 5 mm in this case. Once at the pull-off distance, the stage will move toward the limit flag again, this time usually at a lower search rate, 100 mm per minute in this case. Once again, the stage will pull back the pull-off distance. This position is now configured to be the work 0 for the Z-axis. After finishing the Z homing sequence, the system will home both the X and Y stages simultaneously. At the end of the homing sequence, we set the home position to work 0 for all 3 axes. I will now load a simple G-code file, which will perform a probe touch and run a circle on the XY stages with the spindle on. This is the G38.2 probe touch. Note that the touch probe ground clip is not connected to the tool as it is usually done. This is because the spindle is already grounded in this case. This is the G38.4 probe backoff. Then the circle. I will manually enter a G1 move with X60, Y60, Z-55. I will do another homing cycle. Then I will do a single axis homing cycle for just the Z axis by entering $HZ command. If you're interested in the F13, please visit tomsrobotics.com. Thank you for watching.